ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka Jingtreikam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma habakran sigilat pathai khubor hadien ka 73rd plenary session jong ka North Eastern Council NEC ha ka Southern Udalio arja arpunriu ula ai ka Ïaroh yo Amit Shah Menteri Kampo yeng ba JM Scindia Menteri berepet ya katrat DONER jong ka Sarkar India halor ka Jingtreikam ya ki high level task force ban Kyntiew ya ki Jingtreikam ba pher ha ka tha North East borok away. Shosho Menteri Rangba ulaang bagi task force baklit daki Menteri Rangba bapher kila ay ki kai phot nakabenta ki pratli ki jalla ka than North East India ki balong kulum nakabenta ka Jingtiew ka than hi borok away. Ulaang bakalong ka Jingtreikam ba Jingtreikam kan penwandur haringkat ka Jingtreikam bat ka NEC ban lam khmat bat ban Kyntiew ya ki jalla ha ki benta karap karyang ki Jingtei ki Jingshna bat ki wei pat.
Today we had the 73rd plenary session of the Northeast Council, which is chaired by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in the session, our Honorable Union Donor Minister was also present. All the governors of all the 8 states of the Northeast and the Honorable Chief Ministers of the 8 states were present today. And all the officials from different states and different central government ministries were also present. During the course of the session, there were different aspects of policies that were discussed, and I'm very pleased to state that the Honorable Union Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister had constituted national high-level task forces headed by different chief ministers on different subjects that were important for the Northeast. For example, agriculture-related task force, tourism-related task force, infrastructure-related task force, sports-related task force. And all of these task forces have given their presentation today, and they have given a report and the way forward in which the entire Northeast and the different states can work together to push the different agendas that are there, and how, rather than working as individual states, they can work as a united team for the entire Northeast. And maybe for the first time we are seeing this kind of a policy direction being taken by the Northeast Council, which is something that many have been speaking for a long time. So we are seeing that thought process today finally actually fructifying. And NEC, from being just a funding agency today, has become into a policy agency, and an agency that's creating different thought processes for the Northeast and the different states in the region. And it was a very productive meeting, and now we look forward to actually seeing the reports being submitted by these high-level task forces being implemented in the next 1 year. And that is a direction that the Honorable Home Minister and Donor Minister has given to each of the Chief Ministers who heads one respective high-level task force. And we hope that we will see a lot of positive results, as it will be collaboration between the states of the Northeast and a coordination between the central ministries for Government of India, and a mechanism of making sure that they work together to achieve the common goal.
Habatin, page bahagi ki Shah plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya ka Shah plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi bana kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka Shah plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.